Chris sorted out my brake light for me, and I've booked in my service for a couple of weeks, or next week before I go to France. Yeah, I owe Chris quite a lot actually, because he was the one who recommended the guys who were selling this van. So when I actually turned up to buy it, I just got in the back and checked I could fit to lie down, and then said, yeah, I'll have it. And they're like, do you not want to test drive it? It's Scotcho, 25.5 degrees. I'm going to the beach. We've come down to Budleigh just to spend some time in the sun, because it's blooming lovely here today. Need to make sure I find somewhere cool enough for Puddin to not overheat though. The light here is always so beautiful. How cute are these little beach huts? So picture perfect. So I just checked with someone, and dogs are allowed on this beach as long as it's at one of the far ends. So we're going to make our way down to the other end. It's so hot here for Puddin. I think I'm going to see if I can get us to go in the sea. She's finally chilling out a little bit. She's been playing with other doggies on the beach and annoying their owners. (7 p.m) We spent the best part of the day on the beach. It's been lovely. Both of us have just snoozed most of the day. Anyway, back to the gym now. Get a shower, get some food. Puddin's having a poo. It's a warm one today. I feel like I've woken up inside an oven. Parked my van the wrong way around and the sun's coming straight through onto my head this morning. I'm not complaining. It's blooming lovely. I'm in England and it's still June. It's been a while since we've experienced heat here. I feel like I've woken up with a real spring in my step today. It's 8:10 in the morning and it's 24 degrees. I think I'll finally get a coffee. Enchanted forest. Brekkie done. I'm gonna have to go and find a beach. I need to lie down. We need to lie down somewhere and do nothing. It's too hot. We've ended up at Plymouth, which is blooming lovely. The beach is so big that there is like dogs. Oh, Puddin's just completely done a runner at the beach. Thank God. The beach is so massive that there's just loads of room, and the dogs are obviously allowed on the beach as well, which is cool. Oh God, I'm gonna have to go and get her. Put in. Why do you have to dig right there? This is Spitchwick, area of outstanding beauty. It's blooming lovely. The water's going to be cold though, but it's easier than the sea because Pudding's scared of the waves. So I'm seeing if I'm going to try and see if I can get to get in the water here.
And my name, they telling me to head your way, down your road and past your gates. Keep your eyes on the horizon. I was looking to belong when I'd already found my home. The place I call my home. I was looking to belong when I already found my home.
At least we both cooled down a little bit now. Oh my god, that was so lovely. And Pudding swam for the first time. I'm so proud. We'll go and park in the shade. Stopped up at the supermarket to get a couple of bits so I could see my van from the outside since I washed it. I've done a terrible job. First time I've washed it, to be fair, ever from the outside. So I know which bits I need to concentrate on more next time. Parking up around the back of my mate's business again because it's really nice and I feel secure. There's cameras and my mate Jimbo parks up here as well. He works here. So yeah, and he's lovely. He's actually said I can use the shower inside the building today, so which is really nice. I was going to go to the hangar, but what's lovely is Pudding is allowed here. Trains. There's a train line there, but actually it doesn't bother me. It doesn't keep me awake.
Hello mate, coming to you from the working car parkings. Subscribe and likings please. Goodbye.
My roof, rails and bars have arrived. I'm really hoping I'm going to see Andy, see if he'll be able to fit them for me.
Yeah, looking at it, we can put them on without having to take the ply out, which is good.
I'm actually so excited. I have wanted these on for so long. Dee dee dee.
I'm gonna get back in.
Thanks, Andy.
That's okay.
I got roof bars. I think they look well cool. But I need to go and take this patient puppy for a decent walk now. Come to Totnes this evening to do a sound bath. It's essentially crystal healing bowls. I think that's what they're called. A bit like Tibetan bowls, but they're made of like glass, I think. Well, crystal, I guess. And you lie in a dark room. There's usually, I don't know, about 10, 20 of you. And then the bowls are played. And actually it's a complete all-body experience. It's quite amazing. The first time I did it, I actually couldn't stop. It was such an overwhelming experience. I couldn't stop crying for about 10 minutes afterwards. But it's very meditative, and you can definitely feel it's healing with sound. Random has just happened. I'm in the, don't judge me, I'm in the drive-through queue for a KFC. And somebody that I recognised was eating at KFC outside. So we had a little chat for a while. Haven't seen him for 28 years. Just off to go and hang out down next to the seafront in our vans together, which is really nice. Pudding's got a friend today, little Teddy. So this is Joel. 30 years from school we've known each other, or I haven't seen each other for 28 years. So. We're going to do a fish and chips taste test. So I've been to the fish and chips, the Beach Hut. So where have you been?
I've been to the Harbour View, which is the oldest fish and chip shop in Exmouth.
That sounds crispy, I can hear the crisp.
Wow, I was waiting so long.
So like score out of 10?
I'd say 9.
Really?
Always room for improvement. But no, it's good.
I think I'm probably 7.5, 8 actually. And yours looks a little bit more traditional than mine. You've got a bit more of a crunch. Your batter looks more traditional. I think you made the right decision to go across the road. But all in all, not bloody bad. There is a lot of vans parked up here tonight. Morning. It's a bit chillier today. Not quite. It's not too bad out here. We're all a little bit tightly packed in. Morning.
Morning.
That was lovely to meet up with Joel, who I've not seen since like just after school. It's funny, I think like van life really brings people together. You know, quite often share if not similar views. It's quite often you have more of an appreciation for the outside, the freedom, and the other things that van life brings. So yeah, that was really nice. And obviously it's quite nice for Budleigh to have a little mate. Man has been parked opposite me all night, and I just get a message on Instagram asking if I'm in Exmouth. Anyway, turns out it's someone who we've been following each other for a couple of years. All right, morning. Can I have a quick look inside?
Yeah, sure. Go for it.
Look at this. It's amazing. It's absolutely huge. It's just wicked. Don't think you can quite get the full effect from here. Oh, here we go. You can open these doors. Look at that. Eee. It's incredible. Right, we're going in. Oh my god, yeah, it's like really cold. I catch my breath. It's actually not that cold.
Do you want a Baywatch moment?
I'll do that in slow motion. A bit of luxury now. Sean's got a warm shower. We've even got a hook for the towel. Oh yeah, here we go. Oh my god, I've got some soap. This is amazing! Yeah. I just got to get the soap off, the sand off me now.
Love it. Isn't it nice to have a hot shower
Oh
outside?
my god, it's amazing! If you do it
I've
in
got
between.
a 40-litre tank, and we went away for 12 days, and literally we didn't run out of water at all.
Really?
No. But obviously, if you put it next to like a river or a lake,
Yeah, well, yeah, you
you can just run it straight back into your tank, so it just tops up.